Today we're making fresh basil pistou. This is like pesto without the nuts. Start by crushing and roughly chopping 3 cloves of garlic. You need about a tablespoon. And then zest some lemon and juice it. Then put a chunk of Parmesan cheese into the food processor and blend it until it's fine. Add 4 cups of fresh packed basil leaves and the garlic and give it a good pulse until it's really finely chopped. Alternatively, use a mortar and pestle. Now we're going to season the pistou. Start with some kosher salt, a little lemon zest, crushed red pepper flake, black pepper, and the lemon juice. Pulse well to mix the ingredients and then add extra virgin olive oil in a steady stream while the food processor is running. This will create that beautiful emulsion. Taste the pistou and adjust the seasoning to your taste. To store, place it into a glass container with a tight-fitting lid and just smooth out the top of the pistou and pour olive oil over the top. This will prevent it from oxidizing and keep it that beautiful bright green color. Store it in the fridge, and that's it. Simple, right? Hope you enjoy.